Hey everyone! So if like me you found a bottle of Baileys under your Christmas tree, lucky you. But what now? Sure, you can pour it over ice or splash it in your coffee, but why stop there? Over the next 4 weeks, I'll show you irresistible Baileys cocktails to make the most of that bottle, which you'll want to make again and again. Today we're making the Vanilla Dream Martini. This cocktail is creamy, decadent, and easy to make. Plus we're adding a little magic to this with vanilla Galliano. If you've never used it before, it really is a secret weapon in cocktails. Galliano sits as a gentle hum in the background, giving extra warmth and depth. And what do we need for tonight's cocktail? We need that bottle of Baileys either sitting at the back of your cupboard or one that you've been given for Christmas. We need Galliano, and we need Amaretto, and we need cream. Now for the garnish, we just need to mix equal parts of brown sugar and cinnamon together and then sprinkle that over the top. So let's get started. If you're wondering why Galliano has changed, it's because another company bought out the original creators of Galliano and they changed the recipe. So now it's not that, it's more like a botanical taste to it. Now it's a vanilla flavour. Let's get started. Ice into the shaker. And we'll need 45 mils or 1.5 ounces of Baileys Irish cream. And now we will need 30 mils or 1 ounce of Galliano. There are some other flavours. You can get Zambuca, which is still under the same brand, but that's a licorice flavour. And I think there might be 1 or 2 others that I'm not really familiar with. I don't think you can actually purchase in Australia, so I haven't really used it. So now we need 30 mils or 1 ounce of Galliano. I'm just looking at my cat. He's sitting on a chair behind the camera, so I guess he's my cameraman today. And we need, sorry, I'm jumping the gun, we need 15 mils or 1/2 ounce of Amaretto. This is an almond flavoured liqueur. This will just give it another extra layer of depth to it. And lastly, we will need some cream. I'm just using thickened cream or double cream, but if you want to use 1/2 and 1/2 or thin cream, that should work too. I just like it to be quite decadent and delicious. So now we need 30 mils or 1 ounce of cream. Time to shake. I feel that's got very cold. Okay, so let's strain it into the glass. You could just leave the lid on and strain through the holes in the top, but I just like to use the Hawthorn strainer. Okay, let's sprinkle on the brown sugar and cinnamon. So just really mixed it up. If you're just making it for yourself, just use a pinch or 2 to spread it over the top. But if you're making it for other people, then I would use a small strainer. Even a tea strainer would be pretty good to get it evenly over, and probably would look really good too. Smells very nice. I just love the smell of cinnamon. I think it's the best smell ever. Okay, let's give this a taste. Wow, that is really nice. Really, really, really nice. I really love that. Funnily enough, the strongest flavour that comes through It's really the Amaretto. Like I can really taste the almond more than anything else. I can also taste the Baileys. Galliano, I don't know, there's something else there, but you can't quite pinpoint it. And I wouldn't really say it tastes necessarily of vanilla, but it's a great combination, really delicious, really creamy. This is an absolutely great way to use that bottle of Baileys. I don't think it's ever really too hard to use up that bottle of Baileys, but it really is great to be able to use it in some different cocktails. And over the next 4 weeks, I'll be showing you some other cocktails that you can use to use that up, because I think it's a very common thing to get a bottle of Baileys for Christmas. I know I always love receiving that. Fantastic. Whether it's for a quiet night in or impressing friends and family, or impressing yourself, it's pretty good. Thanks for joining me this week, and I'll see you next week for another cocktail. Cheers, there'll be another Baileys cocktail.